there was a gap between the kids who were studying in Sri Lanka versus the kids in other developed markets. So we tried our best to see how we can bridge this gap with our own capacity, with our own strengths. My name is Prabhath, the founder and the executive director of STEMUP Educational Foundation. So we wanted to partner up with Raspberry Pi Foundation, a code club, and establish coding clubs across the country, because equal opportunity is not there for all the students in Sri Lanka when it comes to computer science education and coding, AI and other emerging technologies. The inspiration behind this initiative is also the area I lived, because I'm coming from 100 kilometers away from the city, Colombo. When you look at the Sri Lankan education system, only 3% of the students who are facing advanced level get an opportunity to enter a national university. It's very small amount. So we initiated our first code club in this library, Colombo Public Library, with a couple of our friends, and we got a really good feedback from parents. Somehow, even though we started with 4 of my friends, it expanded to 1,500 volunteers. The main challenge we see here today when it comes to graduate students, they have the technology skills, but they don't have soft skills. But by being a volunteer, I think that particular student can gain all 360-degree knowledge. Like we are trying to build a complete graduate or complete human being out of our program as a volunteer.
Talking about Prabhath and his support is a huge thing to me. Starting off, I get experience in public speaking, how to interact with the people, how to organize events, and how to run those things, and how to work with tech professionals in the industry. So it's feel great to me. It's kind of give me a self-satisfaction that something I'm doing great.
When I was joining Raspberry Pi Foundation Asia Partner Summit, I was able to join Coolest Projects in Malaysia. That was the first Coolest Project I saw, and then I came back here, shared this story with our board and other fellow volunteers, and they all were really keen to do the same thing. The biggest hope we have for the students who are attending the Coolest Project Sri Lanka 2024 would be getting their eyes open and making this a turning point of their life. I heard in one rural area, 4 or 5 schools have got together, they have hired a bus and came to attend the event. I mean, that kind of energy, because they don't have these opportunities to showcase what they have built, connect with like-minded people, connect with the industry. I think that's a really unique opportunity kids are having, particularly in Sri Lanka, because we don't have similar events happening in the country. So this is a really new experience for them.
I'm 11 years old. This is my innovation. Its name is automatic floor cleaning robot. It can automatically sense and overcomes obstacles on its path.
Our program is helping kids and the next generation in many ways, attracting kids to public libraries, getting our university volunteers to train them, support them, because they are also would love to give back to the community, and then students can learn about emerging technologies, get their hands-on experience totally free of charge, and have amazing experience. So I think that's where organizations like STEMUP, in partnership with Raspberry Pi Foundation, Code Club, these programs are really helpful for kids to win the future and be better citizens, knowledgeable citizens, and bring this country forward.